So traditional databases, like SQL ones, use tables with rows and columns, and you define a strict structure, a schema, beforehand.
Right, like setting up the columns in a spreadsheet.
Kinda, yeah. MongoDB is different. It's document-oriented. Each record is a document, basically a JSON-like object with key-value pairs. And the big thing is flexibility. You don't have to define a rigid schema up front.
Oh, so you can have documents in the same collection that look a bit different.
Exactly, which is super helpful if your data structure needs to change over time. Each document gets a unique ID, the primary key. Plus, for developers, you can interact with it using JavaScript right in the Mongo shell. Very convenient.
That JavaScript synergy again. What are the main upsides of using Mongo in Mern?
Well, speed is one. Because of how it stores documents, indexing can be very efficient, so finding data is fast. Scalability is another huge one. You can spread your data across many servers relatively easily. We mentioned the JavaScript friendliness, and that schemaless nature gives you a lot of agility during development.
And you've got some basic command examples here, like creating a database.
Yeah, simple stuff like use database name, switches you to that database or creates it if it doesn't exist. db.createCollection, collection name, makes a new collection, which is kind of like a table.
And adding data.
Also straightforward, db.collectionname.insert, here puts a document in. And finding it back is simple too, like dd.collectionname.find, to find documents where the name field is Klaus.
Seems pretty intuitive, especially with the JSON feel. Okay, let's move to the eExpress.js. What's its main role on the back end?
Think of Express as the layer that organizes your backend code. It runs on Node.js, but it provides tools and structure that make building web applications and APIs much simpler than just using raw Node.js.
Simpler how?
It gives you things like a really good routing system that's defining how your app responds to different URL requests. And it has great support for something called middleware.
Middle